Touchdown!
Makagat yung lamig.
Welcome to Incheon, everyone.
Bumili na.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is March 14 and we are about to go to Terminal 3 because magkukuliya kami and I am with my UM. Yan, ang aming pinakamagaling lagi.
Excited.
Yun din yung reaction ng last year. Then, kasama namin si kapatid at ang kanyang anak na si Taisa. Excited na ba kayo?
Yes!
So ngayon, vlog ulit tayo. Vlogging era ulit kasi travel. And
Pati, buti pa si Tessa may dala siyang shades. Lagi ako karaman. Lahat ng mga anything sa kanya.
so, dito, since we're from Batangas, nagkaroon ng new launch na transportation vehicle papunta directly na from Batangas to Naiya. So, it's a point-to-point travel na. No? So, yung company is RRCG and ibaba po na lang dito yung pinaka-schedule niya. Then at the same time, kung taga-south ka, hindi na masyadong hassle yung pupunta mo na airport kasi sa Newport ang baba nito. So, mas malapit ka na sa Naiya Terminal 3. So, yun, ganun na lang yung mangyayaring travel time.
Excited na ako maghila ng maleta ko.
Actually, nag-extend kami. It's a group tour. But the thing is that, nag-extend kaming tatlo, pero siya, mauuna siya. So, 19 ang uwi niya and mag-commute siya pa uwi. So, another experience yung magsosolver dun sa bridge sa Newport. Yun. And medyo maaga lang yung medyo matagal lang yung interval ng trip. So, kumbaga 1 or 2 hours ganun. So, kapag medyo alanganin, tas madaling araw flight mo, much better pumunta ka na doon na mas maaga. And you still have a choice na mag-PTEX ka na lang, then grab to Naiya. Hey everyone! So, nandito na tayo sa may parang elevator connecting Naiya Terminal 3. 5 ba? So, yan. We're with the team. Hi, Taisa. Hi, kapatid. Hi, si UM. So, yan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung dadaanan natin. So, ito yung bridge connecting to from tabi ng Belmont Hotel to to Naiya Terminal 3.
Alam niyo yung Batangas City, we are
Very, kaya natin yan.
very convenient sa atin itong matagal naman.
Ayan na sila. Video daw natin sila. Hi guys!
Ang ganda, okay to.
Ayan, so, ay, bawal.
May naiwan ko yung bag.
Ay, meron yung green, oh.
Kaya pala.
Kaya pala.
Dito na.
Sige, kunin ko na lang. Okay, so, wala pang first day. Nagkaroon agad ng aberya and I actually forgot my bag. Nakalimutan natin dun sa parang X-ray area pagpasok dito sa may ano tawag dito? Para siyang bridge. So naiwan ko yung backpack ko. Buti na lang. Since nag-vlog ako, it was very easy for the guards to distinct na it was actually mine. And good thing naman na-inform agad ako. So dito sa area na to ako pinaka na-informed. Yeah, before kami mag-pass dyan, so na-inform agad ako. And buta may guard. So, yun lang naman. Ito, napaka-very convenient niya for all the people who's actually coming from the south. Most especially from Batangas. Kasi, imagine nyo everyone, from Batangas City, it's just one bus away, then you're already here at Terminal 3. And kung halimbawa, magta-Terminal 2, 1 ka pa, or 4, mag-grab ka na lang, di ba? So, yeah, it's very accessible na for the people ng mga taga-south. So, yeah. So, yan na yung Terminal 3. Makikita nyo. Ang ating UM, ganap na.
Habang wala pang tao.
So, nandito na kami sa lounge. Actually, kanina pa, mga before 2. Kaso nga lang, hindi na ako masyado nag-video kasi sobrang gutom na kami. Actually kahapon, nag-early dinner ako, tapos walang breakfast, walang lunch. So, kumain kami. So, what I actually ate was chicken adobo, rice, then may chapchae dito, sarap. Then, nagsasnacks na kami ngayon. Actually, it's already, anong oras na ba ngayon? So, already 4:15 guys, and yeah, mga 5 p.m. out na kami dito. Punta na kami sa boarding gate, then we'll just wait for the boarding time na magyari na. Then, yeah, by 7 p.m. dating natin dun sa 7 p.m. ang alis natin, but ang dating natin sa Korea would be like around 12 a.m. na ng March 15. So, ayun, dahil naka-lounge daw siya, magpa-plancha siya.
Sulit na ako.
Hey guys, so time check, it's already 12:50 and already here at Korea. Touchdown na talaga. Hi everyone! Touchdown!
Makagat yung lamig.
Welcome to Incheon everyone! Kukuha na kami ng baggage kasi nagpicturan muna kami dun sa may pinaka-lalagyanan. Ay, lalagyanan. Yung pinaka signage ng Incheon Airport. So, medyo mahaba na yung pila ng immigration. So, yeah. Ito na yung mga baggage natin. So, we're in baggage claim area 1277. So, yeah. Nakita na namin yung maleta namin and kukunin na lang namin siya. Then after we have our baggage, hanapin lang namin yung travel agency na pinagbukan namin and then, ayun na, voila na, galaan na muna. Another 2 hours travel from the airport of Incheon to our hotel in JK Blossom. Lalabas na ba tayo? Kaya gutom na kami, grabe. Shaway na muna, kunin na muna namin yung maleta namin. Everyone, so we're now here at the exit area of Incheon Airport and we already have our baggage and I was able to talk with our tour guide, no? Taisa, magna-nice to see you ba kayo? Ikaw UM?
Daw niya ng chicken.
Sarado pa ang chickenan. Sarado pa ang chickenan tayo sa. So, nandito pa sa bus and kasama na namin yung tour guide namin and we're about to depart, no? Kasi papunta na kami ng hotel and it's already 2 a.m. na pala, so hindi ko alam kung makakatulog pa pero sakit na ng ulo. Hi guys! So good morning! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Seoul Downtown. Again, we're going to Hanok Village and Seoul Towers. Hi! And hello po sa inyo. And guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda yung ano dito. Like literal na K-drama feels. Yan. So imagine that everyone, no? Napakaganda and it really feels like nasa TV tayo. Like nasa Netflix tayo, no? Right now, we are about to enjoy the view of downtown Seoul, Korea. So yung pinaka-fit natin ngayon is ayan, naka-ano lang tayo, naka-puffer jacket and then naka-white pants which you'll be able to see later. Outfit check natin. Ma'am, nahulog po.
Ay, thank you.
Welcome. Just to inform you that GS25 is the only convenience store here in Korea na open for 24 hours, no? Because si CU is open lang siya from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. Yun. Ito na tayo. Approaching na tayo ng Hanok Village. I can feel the Korea. I can feel the Korea. Parang mali yun. So, tapos na kami mag-picture-picture and we have someone na napakadaldal niya and kasama na namin siya. Pero,
Sino
ayan.
kaya yung madaldal niya?
What's her name? What's her name?
JM Santana. Please follow me on Instagram. That's JEMSTAANA.
Take note ha, pangalawang roll to kasi nakalimutan ko palang i-play. Only to find out na sasabihin niya ulit na i-follow niyo siya.
Follow on my Instagram.
Oh, anong name? Anong name? Okay, ano yun? Instagram, ano yan?
All my Instagramable. Ang hirap
Iniwan niya po ang tita niya dahil walang mag-picture sa kanya.
Wala akong mararating dito kung hindi ako sasama sa kanila. Kasi yung tita ko din naman picture yun eh.
So,
Ayun ah.
Sa isang araw, ahente na rin to ng Pro Life UK, guys. Kasama na natin to sa travel. Ayun na, ayun na yung Ensol Tower, guys. Kita nyo ba? Yo, nasa tuktok siya. Pero anyway, noo ko yung nakita nyo. So, ang ganda dito, guys. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung view dito. Imagine nyo kung gabi to. Okay, so we are to experience commute papunta ng Ensol Tower. So, ayan. This is how it looks like kapag nagko-commute ka dito sa Korea. And sabi nga namin ni kapatid, kailangan namin matutunan to before we end.
Yes.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Boom nida.
Anyway, so as what I was saying, kailangan na namin ma-practice yung pag-commute because after ng tour with that group, mag-extend kami till 21. So, we have to endure ang OE. We have to experience commute via train, via bus, and via Uber taxi, of course. So, yeah. Imagine everyone, that's what it looks like. That's what Seoul looks like up here in Ensol. Paano yung hapa? So, ito yung loob ng Ensol Tower. Papunta na kami sa roof deck or yung pinaka tinatawag na observatory deck. So, may mga tinda-tinda dito sa loob. An overview of the observatory deck. Then, there's an elevator para sa area na pupuntahan namin. Kung ba nasin ka pala talaga, kailangan wag ka na mag-heat kahit malamig. Jacket is enough. Ang banas niya kahit malamig. Di na dapat mag-heat tech. Hello po sa inyo. Okay lang po masama kayo. Nauna yung hello bago yung tanong eh.
Please enjoy. There's some paper towels. Okay, behind this door, that was here. When you go down here.
So, meron pala dito mga tindahan ng candies. Mga sweets. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Yung sa observatory din. Kita nyo yung pinaka city ng Seoul. What's up, guys? So now it's another place no, for the entire day. And just imagine, in a span of a day, ang dami naming napuntahan. And right now, we are here at the Italian village where nag-shooting ang Bon Appetit na series. So this is the place and it's very nice, very colorful actually. So yeah, tingnan nyo yung area. There you go. So much color. actually yung makikita nyo dito. And it's very Italian viberies. Which is yun na talagang goal, diba? Ito na yung loob. Yeah. Once you enter, ito na yung makikita nyo. So, as what I was saying, it's very Italian-y vibe. Italian-y? May salita pang Italian. Anyway, but yeah, very Italian yung vibe dito. Like ito. Yan. May mga pa shop where you can wear a mask and take a picture, or either buy some antique Italian glasswares. So dito tayo sa Pinocchio's Hall, and ito yung number 5 dun sa map. This is what it looks like. Another colorful buildings. Yeah. And galing tayo dito sa baba, and there are lots of, you know, Pinocchio na mga statuettes. Yan. So sobrang laki niya, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung maiikot ko pa ba ito lahat. Kasi let's be honest, nakakapagod din. And since that we only have limited time to wander this place, dapat 3:25 nandun na tayo sa bus. Ngayon, I have decided na I will go back na lang. So, earlier, dito kami galing. So, we actually entered doon sa main entrance. Dito. Yan, dyan. So, what I'm planning to do is, bumaba ako, starting from there, pababa dito. Which is, papakita ko sa inyo. Ramdam mong hapong-hapo na ako, no? Kasi nakakahapo naman talaga. Teka, tama pa ba yung sinasabi ko? Feeling ko tama naman. Kasi dito tayo nang galing eh. Ano? Dito tayo galing. Dito tayo pumasok. Diba? So, pang ano natin? Thumbnail. Alam mo, I am quite enjoying myself na nagva-vlog mag-isa. Kasi parang ganito pala yung feeling nila Ivan de Guzman, no? Pag nagva-vlog sila, solo travel, tapos imik-imik silang mag-isa. Masaya naman. Actually, syempre, mas nakaka-enjoy ko kasama ko yung girlfriend ko, si Darling. Pero syempre, saya din na, mag-isa. I mean, masaya yung nagva-vlog, tapos namin ka kasi hindi ka rin naboboard. And since naman na ako naman ay very friendly, makipag-usap sa lahat, hindi ako naubusan ng kausap. So, nakakabatian ko lahat, nakakabiroan ko. So, just to correct pala, hindi pala dito yung daan papunta ng France Village. Kasi kung ito, Italian Village, yung pinasukan natin kanina, doon pala sa baba yung France Village. Yan, dyan. So, since doon kami pumasok, yun yung pinaka main entrance kanina. Ang lakad pala niya from main entrance pababa doon na yung France. So technically, what I did was from there sa main entrance, umakyat ako papunta dito. No? So actually, napakadami pa ng pwedeng ikutan doon sa Italian Village. It is just that okay na ako doon. Okay na ako doon. So we can do this alone ang hindi nahihiya. So I really think that pag nagta-travel talaga, one thing that I actually realize is that hindi na ako nahihiya na mag-vlog, mag-i-make mag-isa, may hawak na camera. Even though na may kasama pang Batanggenyo or Filipino, it's just that wala na. Confident na ako mag-vlog ng ganon. Since given for a fact that I just started this vlog just to, compile my videos during the travel. And there are times na ang sarap niyang panoorin kapag bored ka. And nakakapagbigay inspiration palalo na gusto mo palalo mag-travel. Pero syempre, to enjoy this even better, syempre in the future, I'm planning din syempre naman na isama ko yung family ko. Syempre, the person that I love, Yun. Kasi there are times na parang minsan, yes, you enjoy, but syempre, you want them to enjoy what you're enjoying din. So, yun lang naman. Imagine kanina, guys, bumili ako ng Love Lock. And doon namin ginawa yun sa Ensol Tower, which yun yung normal place kung saan talaga nagkakaroon ng Love Lock. Only to find out that here in Italian Village, pwede rin palang mag-avail ng Love Lock and magkabit dito. Tingnan nyo. So there is a vending machine for Love Locks that you can avail. Then this is the railing. These are the railings wherein pwede kang magkabit ng Love Locks. So tingnan natin to. Bakit may malaking Pinocchio? So ang sabi, the world's 3 largest statues of Pinocchio. O nga naman niya, ang laki nga naman. So imagine, from his foot up there, sobrang laki niya. And just for comparison, yun yung laki niya. Ayan, like, there you go. Diba? You can see the difference and sobrang laki niya. Nakataas pa yung kamay niya. Diba? What's up, Pinocchio? Anyway, I'm enjoying myself alone here. Punta na tayo sa baba. Imagine, sobrang pababa. You know what? The only thing that I actually realized about Korea is that it is so full of greeneries. It's just that we are in the wrong weather na para makita yung full bloom niya. Since even though it's already considered na spring na, tagsibol, hindi pa ito yung masasabi mong at its peak of its season. Kasi, let's be realistic, December, January, February is their winter season. So, since it's just, mid-March, technically speaking, ang lamig pa rin niya, na para pa rin siyang winter. The only thing that makes it different from being literally a winter is wala siyang snow. Pero yung lamig niya, sobrang lamig niya. So technically naka-ano pa ako, naka-heat tech and at the same time naka-puffer jacket, And yun nga, sabi ko, one thing that made me realize about Korea also is that aside sa weather, yung since mountainy, tama ba yung term ko? Like mabundok kasi siya. So majority of the establishments, most especially kapag from provinces siya, or from sa province na kalagay yung pinaka places or establishments for tourist spots, laging mataas and mataas na place siya. So it would be either very steep yung daan pataas and pababa, pero yeah, okay naman since walang snow, hindi naman siya nakakadulas. Since it's already 3:04 p.m. and the call time is 3:25. I think ang ganda ng crow, parang natawa lang yung tunog niya. Hindi na ako pupunta pala kasi baka malate na naman kami. Nakakahiya sa mga kasama namin because nakakailang late na kami the entire day. So if you're still in the Philippines or wherever you are in the world watching this vlog and you realize that you wanted to visit this Italian village here in Korea, this is what it looks like from the outside of its premises, Yan siya. So pwedeng dito ka bumili nung pinaka-ticket. Then sasalubungin ka ng parking syempre. And behind that, syempre, full of pictures din naman. But the thing is that it would actually lead you to the exit. Exit tayo guys, but ang ganda ng view. Actually, pupunta kami. Ang next destination na pupunta namin is Nami Island. And that's actually a place na I am looking forward to go to. So, yeah. Nami Island it is, everyone. Papakita ko sa inyo yung isang isang view na napakaganda. Hindi ko alam kung anong place siya, pero I think it's a lake or like, I don't know if it's a lake, but if you're just able to see this, I think you're really going to appreciate this. Whoever you are that's watching this vlog. In 3, 2, 1. Imagine that. Diba? Ito yung Friends Village, pero nakikita niyo ba yung nasa likod? It's actually, I don't know if it's a lake, it's a river, or yeah. Diba? Napakaganda niya. And that's the place. Imagine nyo guys, so punta pa lang ako ng bus. Ang dami ko na namang na-realize. Tingnan nyo, napakataas talaga niya since galing nga kami sa taas. Tingnan nyo naman yung taas niya. From eting ground, eto siya kataas. And may itataas po siya dun sa pinaka-place kung saan nga kami nagpunta, diba? Parang napaka K-drama feels talaga nga nitong place na pinuntahan namin, and I really appreciate it. It came to a point way back, if you're going to realize, no, way back 2020, 2021, 2022, we're just able to see this in a TV, no? In a phone, or wherever na social media. But now, we're experiencing it. And thanks God. And soon, sana ma-experience nito ng family and loved ones ko. Most especially me with my girlfriend. Yeah. We're now off to Naminara, or what they called as Nami Country. But just to inform you that we were told that Nami Island or Naminara is actually owned privately by an individual and not owned by the government. That's why we don't need our passport already. So yeah, nakasakay kami ngayon sa ferry, and it is such a nice ferry with lots of vlogs. And yeah, Philippines. Dito ba tayo sa loob? So, dito pala tayo sa ano, second floor or sa second floor, basta parang taas. Hi guys. So, imagine niyo yung feeling, sobrang lamig, sobrang saya. Yan siya. And look at the beauty of Korea. Diba? Ito yata yung sinasabi ko kanina na ano nung nandun ako sa may Italian village. Feeling ko ito yun. Welcome to Nami Island.
What vlogger?
Yeah, I actually did that twice. Is that why you actually love?
Huh?
Is that why you love? No. Meet our tour guide.
안녕하세요.
She's the best. Lucy.
Welcome to Nami Island.
Sorry, what's her name again? The nickname Lucy?
Lucy Liu.
You're saying one thing, the other word in Filipino.
Which one?
Lucy?
Lucy?
You forgot.
Ganda.
Someone answered it
Lucy
from the back.
Ganda.
Oh, yeah.